Ubesonke econsa ngesikhathi efika enkantolo namhlanje uThabo Bester. Kodwa-ke ngokusho kwakhe indlela aphethwe ngayo ejele ayifani nezinye iboshwa.
I have been forced to dress as such. I am not dressed. These clothes were bought for a purpose to come to court. I had to spend money to look like this. I was told that I can't wear clothes that are Louis Vuitton or whatever because it gives the wrong impression. I am not the worst inmate in this country. I don't have the highest counts. I have 3 counts. But I am the most popular inmate in this country for no reason because of the political carnage.
UBester osekuphele unyaka ibhadla ejele kanye nasolwa naye uDokotela Nandipha Magudumana usebe nabameli abasha ikhawu eyiningana. Uveze ukuthi akasekho ummeli ofuna ukuzibandakanya naye ngenxa yokuba undabuzekwayo kwaleli cala.
It's very difficult for me to appoint an attorney. Attorney would cancel brief on the basis that say I don't want to be associated with Thabo Bester because the media will attack me.
Uthi leli cala selinenhlese yezombusazwe kanti ke kunabantu abaseyikhundleni eziphezulu abavikilwayo.
The people that are being protected by the investigating team are very clearly known. I have more than enough evidence to prove that this thing is much more than just an average people that are working at an institution called G4S that just decided on one day to release me. It's highly impossible.
Uphakamise ukuthi isixazululo sayo yonke lento ukuthi anikwe isigwebo sentambo.
The public signs a petition and I be given a death sentence and immediately I will agree to it. So we end this matter.
Ijaji lithe alinayo imvume yokubuyisa isigwebo sentambo kodwa ke angazibika izikhalo zakhe eminyangweni wezamajele ziphenywe.
And the death sentence, you say yourself, it has been declared unconstitutional. I have no power to bring it back.
Unina kaKatlego Bereng osidumbu sakhe sasetshenziswa ukuze uBester eqe ejele uthi imbudane yonke lento eshiwo uBester enkantolo.
Everything sense dibontsha bua di nonsense. Everything sense dibulele ke di nonsense. Ona se se better sense dibulele.